Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for being with us. Juicy beef burgers. There are two formulas for the ratio of lean beef to fat in a burger patty. 70/30ths or 80/20ths. The meat can be ground through a meat grinder, while the fat should be well chilled and finely chopped with a knife. That way, when mixing, the ground meat won't turn into a paste. The fat will stay inside as separate little cubes and won't melt during cooking, keeping the meat juicy and leaving small pockets of air inside. This way the patty won't feel too dense. Burger patty mix should have no fillers whatsoever, no flour, no bread, no egg. Salt and pepper is all you need. Well, that's all for now. But as always, there's more to come. Stay with us. It's going to be interesting and most importantly useful.